I welcome all returning viewers and new viewers back to this channel. As I've already said, no glue, no scissors. Just get your papers and let's start folding. So this is our paper. Fold it into two this way. So you've got this into two again. So now you have something like this. Now you can see that one side is closed and one side is opened. So turn the open side towards you and then take one part like this and then fold it this way. So you have something like this here. Close this part. Take the other side. Repeat the same process. So, as if you're making a kind of a cone. Okay? You fold it. So fold a cone. Make sure that it's straight. It's straight on this side. Okay? So this way. Turn it on it. So in fact, you are folding to get something like this. So you have something like this. Okay. The open side is still towards me. So take one side like this to the middle line. Fold it. Take this side to the middle line. So you've got something like this. Now, this will be the handle of our box. So close it up or fold it this way. Turn to this side and repeat the same process. So you bring the side to the middle line. Okay, the middle line like this. And then you take the side to the middle line like that again. So you've got something like this. Fold it like that. So in effect, you've had something like kind of gloves, like one glove. Now open it up. So this is it. This is how it looks. Open it up. Flatten the base of the box. This is going to be the base. The pointer side is going to be the base of the box. So flatten it up like that. So flatten it up as I've already said. Flatten it. Our box is coming out nicely. So this is our box. Finally, this is what we've got. That's our box, our yellow box. This is the blue one. This is the green one, the green box. And then we've got the white one, the white paper. Made a very big box, as you can see. A very big one here. So that's our mother box. And then our small boxes. So that is it. So assuming you find yourself somewhere with some cookies and don't know where to put them, you can just make a box if you have a paper with you. Put it inside. You can put your nuts inside. If you have trash and your table is cluttered, you can just make a box if you have a paper. Any paper, no cutting, no. Just keep folding. You can put your trash in one of them. That is it. Your nuts in one of them. And your cookies in one of them.
How did your box turn out?
Isn't that beautiful?
I would like to know in the comment section. And as I've always said,
do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more educational content. See you again in the next video.